another Trendmood Box unboxing. So this one I've had sitting waiting to be unboxed since about, I think, May. So it's belated as hell, but better late than never. I know it's in this one at least, but I've forgotten because it's been several freaking months. So it'll be as much a surprise to me as it is to you guys. So the first thing in here is from Kopari, and it's Face SPF 30 Sun Shield Soft Glow Daily Face SPF. So wait, hold on. It does have some color to it, as you can see. So I think this is just like a tinted moisturizer with SPF in it, is what I'm getting. Let's see here. Yeah, the sunscreen smooths skin's appearance with a sheer weightless satin finish. Vitamin E helps shield skin from free radical damage, while ethically sourced pearlescent minerals illuminate in the sun, leaving your skin protected with a subtle radiant glow. I mean, that all sounds good. We have, oh, cool. So, like, SPF in this is good till 2025. Usually in the beauty boxes, if you get SPF, you're lucky if it, like, even goes to, like, the following year. So, which is why I feel like they give it to us, because they know it's on the verge of expiring, so use it fast or you're fucked. So, anyway, we have got, yeah, that looks pretty good. So, there's that. We have, oh, I think this is just a little explanation. I guess for people who have never used a cleansing balm, yeah, this is by True Botanicals, and it's their Calm Ginger Turmeric Cleansing Balm. So that's a good, decent size on it. Let's see it. Oh, how cute! So they're little wooden spatula. Being all eco-friendly like that, you know what it gives me vibes of? I'm sure I don't even have to say it because you guys are probably thinking it too. The little wooden spoons for ice cream. I swear it is giving the vibes of that. It's about the same size and everything. I want to smell this. Pink ginger. Ooh, I was not expecting it to be like bright yellow. That's fun. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. I mean, not gonna lie, I would be kind of nervous using that around eye makeup, being ginger and all, because that seems like a recipe for friggin' disaster, but let me look at the little thingy it came with, because if they show it around the eyes, then I guess it was made for it, but they are literally saying, including the eyes, I guess it's safe. Even though that seems like a terrible idea, if you ask me. So they're like, yeah, use the spatula included to scoop balm. Apply directly to the skin, including eyes, massaging in circular motions. Apply warm water until it breaks into a milky lather. Effortlessly wash away all impurities like makeup, sunscreen, and dirt. Which, I mean, like, yeah, but, anyway. So I guess that's a thing. It has yucca extract, lactic and azelaic acid, turmeric and ginger root oil, oat and argan oils, cucumber seed oil, and mango and avocado butters. So, I mean, lots of good stuff. Vegan, PETA approved, Leaping Bunny certified, all good stuff. So then we have the Biossance Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil. Facial oil to visibly brighten and firm. Ooh. This brand is always good. Clean Conscious High Performance. A luxurious facial oil with Damascus Rose Oil, Vitamin C to visibly brighten, and Chios Crystal Oil, known to boost radiance and firm the look of skin. Help rejuvenate skin for a soft, smooth, and healthy looking glow. Huh. I want to see it. I'm so impatient. Ooh, I already smell the rose. Ooh, okay. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, that's adorable. Like, for a little facial, I was not expecting it to be like rose quartz colored. I'm like, that's so cute. That is one of those kind of things you want to put on a vanity. It's so cute looking. Straight up. But for now, we're gonna put it back in here for the time being until I'm ready to use it. But oh my god, that is super cute. And the fact that I wasn't expecting it made it even cuter, I think. We Also, a hat from Biossance. I shouldn't say it too loudly. My sister's in the next room. This is like her favorite thing. The Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream. This stuff, yeah, apparently it's like magic in a jar, according to her. And this is the full size. There we are. We've definitely seen these before in other beauty boxes, I think including in another Trendmood box, if I am not mistaken. But yeah, that stuff does not come cheap. So the fact that like so many beauty boxes just give it out like candy is crazy to me. We have KVD Locket Pore Refining Primer, which I mean, probably at the time that I ordered this box, I wouldn't have even been excited about, but now that I've been using primers and foundation more days than not, now I'm like, okay, I'll try that. Let's see, is it tinted or is it clear? Ooh, look how fancy the tube looks. That's fun. Okay, let's see. Just gonna peek at it. Just a teeny tiny little bit. Just a teeny bit. Come on up. Just a tiny little bit. I'm trying to squeeze it super gentle so it doesn't actually come out. I just want to see if it's clear or not. Yeah, it's clear. Okay, so we'll smooth the foil back down for now. Put it back in the box till I'm ready to use it. Because I don't want it to dry out. That would suck. So we have that. And then the last product is the main one I was super excited about. It's Nabla's Vicious Volume and Definition Mascara. It literally looks like a little jaguar cat. Like, let me show you. Like this one, straight up, I'm pretty sure even when this is empty, I may keep this for the aesthetic, just because it's so freaking pretty. Look at it. Look at that. Have you ever seen a mascara that looks like that? The only thing even close that I've seen before was it Tarte or was it Too Faced that had the Sex Kitten eyeliner that had the little cat on the top of it? Yeah, have that. Definitely held on to that too, just for the aesthetic. I like put it in like a pencil holder along with other stuff just because it's cute, but this, for sure, I'm holding on to that after just because it looks so friggin' cool. Like, that looks like something like in a Mayan temple with like the crystal eyes and everything. That is so cool. But yeah, if it works like the box shows it working too, which I mean, I'm always skeptical of when it comes to mascara and their claims, but I don't know, this one could be pretty freaking cool. I mean, they went pretty hard on the packaging, so would they really do all that if it weren't actually good? I don't know. Because, I mean, it literally feels like a metal tube even, so I'm like, shit, okay. Like, they really believe in this stuff. But yeah, so that's what was in this Trendmood box. I feel like they haven't done as many of them this year. Is it just me, or have I missed them? I don't know. Let me know. Anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.